Welcome Forex traders to a TradingView tutorial. Today we are going to be covering drawing tools. So pay close attention to our mouse off to the left side of the screen. Right now we are showcasing all of the drawing tools available to you. And if we move our mouse further down, now we see some specific features that are related to drawing tools that you can click to augment and improve your experience. But first, let's just focus on the drawing tools that you have access to. If you hover your mouse over any of these drawing tools, you will see an instant pop-up that tells you the exact drawing tool that you can select and place on your chart. In addition, pay close attention to these little arrows because if you click them, you will expand the menu for that specific drawing tool category. In this example, we can see that these are Trendline Tools. We click, and now here are all of the Trendline tools available to us. Or as another example, if we hover our mouse over geometric shapes and click, now we see all of the geometric shapes available to us, including brushes, arrows, and shapes. It can be as advanced as you like, adding anchored VWAP or price range tools, or perhaps more simple, whereby you focus on trend lines, horizontal rays. The choice is yours. Now, let us show you how you can add drawing tools to your chart with one click. Let's say, for example, we are watching this chart of GBP USD, and we want to place a horizontal trend line at the lows here because we believe that this might be an area of support to watch. Thus, we would open up our Trendline Tools menu, find the horizontal line and click, find the area where we want to place it and click again, and now a horizontal line has been placed across our chart. You may also notice that we have a floating toolbar here that is intimately connected to this horizontal line. So if we wanted to change the color, we could do that with one click. If we wanted to change the line thickness, we could do that with one click. And of course, we can even add an alert directly on this drawing tool, meaning that the price, if it were to hit this horizontal line, we could be alerted about that price action. For every drawing tool that you add to the chart, you can also double click that drawing tool to see some more advanced settings. So for example, we have our horizontal line here. We can change the color. We can add text. We can adjust the coordinates so we can type in the exact coordinates that we want for ultimate precision. And then of course, there are some visibility options which allow us to hide or unhide these drawing tools on the specific time intervals. For example, we're on a daily chart. If we were to uncheck days, well, now it's gone. And if we were to go to weeks, so let us quickly go to 1 week, well, now it's back. The point of that feature is that we are demonstrating that we can do multi-time frame analysis with specific drawing tools that are only shown on specific time frames. Of course, the choice is yours as the trader or investor. Please also keep in mind that when you open up a drawing tool menu, you have the ability to favorite or unfavorite specific drawing tools. Now, you'll notice when you create a suite of your favorite drawing tools, you will have access to a floating toolbar here that is fully customized based on your favorite tools. So we've added these. You can see they were instantly added. Watch here, we're going to add the arrow marker. Now it's instantly added. So that is how you can create a fully custom floating toolbar for all of your favorite drawing tools. Lastly, there are some very important features now that we want to show you, such as the ability to stay in drawing mode, to lock all drawing tools, to hide all of your drawings with one click, or perhaps you want to hide something else with one click. And then lastly, the ability to sync your drawings across layouts or globally. So if we were to have a multi-chart layout open, let's say we're looking at 2 charts at once. This chart shows GBP USD on a daily time frame. This chart shows GBP USD on a 1-hour time frame. Well, we're going to sync these drawings between the two of them. So we're going to click New Drawings, we'll sync in Layout. And now watch what happens. If we draw something on the daily chart, it will simultaneously appear on the hourly chart. Thus, we are doing another example of multi-time frame technical analysis or ultimate precision on any time frame. So if we were to actually just add a brush here, let's just add a brush stroke. We'll just do a circle. You'll notice that this free-drawn circle has now appeared on both charts. This is true for any drawing tool that we were to add to the chart. If we add a horizontal line, it appears on both as well. So you can do the most precise charting and research on many different time frames. Lastly, let us show you the magnet mode drawing tool. We're going to go back to a single chart layout. And the magnet mode drawing tool allows you to precisely connect your drawing tools to the nearest open, high, low, close value. Depending whether or not you want that to be a weak magnet or a strong magnet, let's select strong, we will have our drawing tools precisely connect to a specific point on the chart. You can notice the way our mouse is already snapping to these specific points. Well, if we wanted to add a horizontal line to the exact bottom here, we can pick open, high, low, or close. Let's just do the low and click, and now it's instantly connected to that low. Thanks so much for watching. We look forward to seeing how you get started with drawing tools and all the different ways that you can use these features to perform the best research and analysis.